Dreezy Squad, what is going on? It is your boy Dreezy coming at you guys here with a brand new Supreme video. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys over what I got for the Daniel Johnston collaboration. If you guys did not see what I copped, I did make a live cop video over it. I did have to cop from my phone. So with that being said, I really didn't have a chance copying a lot of the stuff that I did want. I did manage to get 2 t-shirts from which we are going to be going over in this video. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Okay guys, first off, if you are new here, please go down below and click that big red subscribe button for me. It would mean the world to me. Help your boy get to 1,000 subscribers, and if you enjoyed, drop a thumbs up for me. Also, yesterday was the TNF and Supreme collaboration. I filmed a live cop, however my phone quit screen recording for some reason, so I had absolutely no footage to show you guys of me live copying. It was kind of a crazy process, and the only thing I managed to get were the Polaroid pictures. So if you guys cop something like a jacket or a vest or, you know, the crazy that came out, go down below and comment what you guys got, because I kind of want to know what you guys did cop. So yes guys, with that stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and hop into the main part of today's video, which is the 2 shirts that I did cop from Supreme with the Daniel Johnston collaboration. Alright guys, so first up here we have the Daniel Johnston t-shirt here in pink. Kind of weird copying these t-shirts, because if you guys saw the live cop, I was actually supposed to get this in pink and then the other shirt in blue, and somehow I got both pink, which is kind of fire. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I haven't even seen it yet, but for large, this thing is absolutely humongous. It's got a lot going on. The font they used, I absolutely love. It's almost like a Superman type font, and I really couldn't tell you what's happening in this picture right now. It's got so much going on. Up there, you got like a devil dragon looking thing on like the Incredibles Frostman or whatever, Iceman, I don't know, I don't get into movies. You've got a goblin right there, a cross with a crucifix in the middle, which doesn't make sense, and then you've got the devil with his head open, and then Daniel. I don't know what's happening in this t-shirt, but it is absolutely insane. Here's a closer look for you guys. Again, super fire t-shirt. If you guys are interested in any of these t-shirts, I am going to be selling them over on my Grailed page. Again, not going to wear them, and yeah, that is the first t-shirt. Let's go ahead and hop into the second t-shirt here that I got. Alrighty guys, so the next t-shirt that I did end up copying was the I Know Supreme Frog tee with Daniel Johnston. This is the one that I was supposed to get in navy blue, however it checked me out with 2 pinks, so honestly kind of fire, kind of happy to get this. And for people who wonder why I get my stuff in size large all the time, is because if no one buys it, that way I can wear it myself. So here is the Supreme I Know Supreme Frog t-shirt in pink. Just nice, simple little design there with the Daniel Johnston frog on there. Honestly, this was probably like my second favorite piece that dropped with this collaboration. This shirt did retail for $44. There's a closer look for you guys. Pretty simple design with the frog, which we've seen before with Supreme, and then nothing on the back of either one of them. But those are the 2 t-shirts that I did end up copying. And then the stickers I got absolutely screwed over on, you guys. Look at this. I got 2 of these. Again, not the stickers I wanted the other ones. And then just a BOGO. So these are the 2 t-shirts that I did cop. I don't know if you guys had any luck during that drop as well, because the payment processes were absolutely insane in terms of length. It took me forever to cop those if you guys didn't see it. I really did want that rayon shirt, you know, with all the stuff going all over it. It was absolutely fire. But yeah, you guys, this was just a quick little unboxing. I just want to show you guys what I got from that collaboration. Honestly, both t-shirts are pretty fire. I actually really do like both of them. With all that stuff being said, you guys, I always like to add a little disclaimer into my Supreme videos, simply stating that just because I buy, sell, wear, and collect Supreme does not make me better or cooler than anyone else out there watching this video, or just anyone in general. It is something that I enjoy doing. I absolutely love Supreme the brand, and honestly, it's become an issue for me, let's put it that way. I spend a ton of money on Supreme, and it's just something that has become a really big hobby of mine, something that I've grown really big into. So with that stuff being said, like I said, you guys, you do not need Supreme to fit in. You do not need Supreme to be cool. It is a very pricey brand. So with that stuff in mind, you guys, you really just don't need it to be cool. It is just a brand at the end of the day, and clothes don't define who you are as a person. So with that stuff out of the way, you guys, this video comes out Friday night, and then Sunday I am going to be doing like a Supreme tutorial on how I cop, because I have methods that people might not know about. Not only that, I have an affiliation with a bot that I'm going to talk about as well, because it does work really well. And then from there, we're going to do a lookbook drop on Tuesday, and then Thursday a live copy, you guys already know. So with all that stuff being said, you guys, if you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up. Comment what you guys got from the TNF collab, or if you caught anything from the Daniel Johnston collab. And yeah, with all that stuff being said, it's been your boy Dreezy. Peace out.